Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are staying safe and are taking good care of yourself. So this video is regarding my monthly favorites. I'll be telling you what all products were my favorite, my skincare favorite products, because I bought some new skincare range for myself. So I'll be telling you all because I thought it's going to be interesting, because to let you know what my monthly favorite was and how many looks I created, and just have a fun chit chat session with you all, which makes me the happiest. So without wasting much of the time, now we'll quickly jump into my video.
1, 2, 3, fuck it.
I'll be starting up with my lipsticks. You all know my love for lipsticks. It's my favorite product. Like, of all the makeup products I have, lipstick is my go-to product. And these four lipsticks I wore this entire month on every outfit, on every occasion. I wore these lipsticks. And the second point being, you know how much I love lipsticks. Like, you give me a lipstick and I'll do a full face makeup, and not even more than. I actually feel that if I'm not feeling good and I just apply the lipstick, any lipstick, not these four, but any lipstick, I feel happy and I feel some sort of energy. I don't know, it's just with me or with you all who are watching this video. And if it is with you also, comment in the section below. But anyways, coming to the four lipsticks. So one is my NYX Creme Matte Soft Lip Creme. I've already told you about this. Is in my lipstick collection also, one of my top favorite lipsticks in the shade Montreal. The shade number is not here, it's just written C61. So if you're able to find it with that. So this is my favorite lipstick for this month that I actually wore. It is very soft on your lips and it is super matte. I'll swatch it for you all. This is how it looks. Pretty, very pretty. Then my another NYX lipstick that I have in the top four is my NYX, I don't know which is it, like it is soft extra creamy lipstick in the shade B52, 565, and this is how it looks. These two are kind of similar, but this is more on the darker tone, and I have like, this is the lipstick I am wearing currently. So if you're able to figure it out. Then my favorite nude lipsticks. One is I purchased in the starting of October, which is my Glam Lit liquid matte lipstick. Trust me when I say this is matte, this is hell matte lipstick, girl. This is in the shade Micro Cheating. And if you're looking for a nude lipstick and you want a perfect nude lipstick in your vanity, or other than the Huda Beauty one or the Maybelline nude shades, which I love, girl, this lipstick is fantastic for nudes. Utterly delicious. Perfect brownish nude shade. The thing is, it looks dark on the hand, but when you apply it and you apply like it properly, then it's one of the best nude lipsticks. If you're following me on Instagram and if you have seen my stories, then you'll figure out that I am wearing this shade many a times in my stories. So I think you'll get a better picture of it. I'll put my picture in which I'm wearing this nude lipstick, so you're able to figure it out, like how it looks on the lips. And then again, back to basics, my Maybelline Crayon Lip Gradation Sensation in Mauve 1. This is my go-to lip crayon, my go-to lipstick. It goes with every outfit. It's the best nude shade. I have spoken enough about it, and just realized the lipstick touched my hair, but this is how it looks. The perfect nude you want, trust me. Beautiful. You have seen me wearing this. If I have a proper picture of it, like I'm just wearing this because I do not wear one lipstick at a time. I am always wearing 2 or 3. I mix 2 or 3 shades, like unless and until there is some shade like this shade, I don't mix anything with this one till now. But if I find any combination, then I'll definitely do, because I like mixing 2 or 3 shades when I apply lipstick. So yes, so coming down back, these 4 monthly favorites top the list. to lip balms. So anyone who knows, like who is watching this video, they know I am obsessed with lip balms. Like another level obsession I have. I have a mini Maybelline store of lip balms here, which as I said, I am pretty obsessed. I have each and every shade. I have used each and every shade of Maybelline Baby Lips because like I have different kind of obsession with lip balms. In every purse, in every handbag, wherever I go, in every pocket, like मेरी jeans, wherever I go, I always have a lip balm with me. I'll like lipstick, I'll have or 2-3 different shades. Like it's not necessary that I have in every handbag lipstick, but lip balms are there. So for this month, the first one is my Maybelline Baby Lips Alia New York limited edition in the shade Highline Wine, which is the perfect red shade. It is enriched with shea butter moisturizer. This is how the shade looks, and it does provide 24-hour hydration to your lips. It is travel friendly. You can keep it anywhere, but do not forget where you keep your lip balms because it is very hard to find them. But girl, this baby lip is superb. Just look at the shade, like it's so beautiful, the perfect red and the shade you want in your lip balm, which is superb. Next, like plain lip balm which doesn't has any color, I have the Organic Harvest Lemon SPF 15 lip balm with me. They have many shades. You can find it on Amazon. I don't know if it's available on Nykaa or not, but I ordered these from Amazon. I had the green tea tree oil with me also. I have ordered it and it will come in a few days. So this is how it looks. I have used half of it because it's money. This is my like go-to. It has lemon and it has SPF 15 in it, which is superb. The texture is really nice and it provides intense hydration. So this and this perfect combination, perfect hydration and a really good lip balm. Organic Harvest products are really nice, trust me. They have lily, they have hibiscus oil, they have tea tree oil, they have lemon, which I have here. I have ordered a tea tree oil one because there are many lip balms which are hibiscus and lily. The color is same, so I ordered the tea tree one. So when it will come, I'll post a picture on my Instagram or I'll link it down below. You can check the description box for that. But yes, so these are my two favorites. You know, Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the favorite, the best, it doesn't change. So I'm not gonna speak more about this foundation now. But the concealer, the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade Medium Moon and the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Light. These two have been my monthly favorites in whichever makeup I have done for my IGTV videos or for the makeup I wore at home in the puja, but the Navratri we had at home or any other. So this month I only used these two concealers, which proved very nice. And Maybelline products Age One concealer doesn't need any more hype. But yes, these were two my monthly favorites. My favorite part, which is my eyeshadow. If you're following me on Instagram and you have seen me, then you will figure it out that which palette I am talking about. But if you haven't figured it out, it's the Swiss Beauty 40 HD Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette that I'm talking about. Anyways, this is how the palette looks. Beautiful, isn't it? The shade range is playful, colorful, ultra matte, ultra wearable. They will not smudge. Like perfect palette. Just look at the shades, and when I say the pigmentation is extremely good, I mean the pigmentation is extremely good. The pigmentation of yellow shade is also extremely good. Wait, I'll show you. Can you see the pigmentation? Wait, you might be not able to see it in the back of my hand. This is how the shade looks. Can you like see the pigmentation of the yellow shade? The darker shades, of course you can expect the pigmentation and everything, but the light shades in the palette, it is really difficult to find the correct light shades jinka pigmentation bhi sahi ho. And this palette, girl, trust me, if you're looking for a palette which has all the shades and you're willing to invest, go with this one. I would suggest their James, their Morphe palette, Jaclyn Hill. can definitely go with that, but those palettes are very large to carry and I did not want that palette right now. Because I wanted something like this to, you know, the shade range in Jaclyn and Morphe palettes is so big, like it's utter confusing. So I purchased this one for now. But the pigmentation, as you can see, so this palette is my monthly favorite palette. Every look I have created is with the help of this palette. Entire month I did not use any eyeshadow palette other than this palette because it has all the shades and I did use every shade in it. Like most of the shades I've used, like once in the look creation. So this tops month I skipped my Maybelline setting powder because I wanted to try, like I have used the Bare Minerals. You have seen me using Bare Minerals in many of my videos and I use it, but I always go back to Maybelline, as I said that it is my go-to basic powder. So I don't know, it feels nice to use Maybelline more. But this month entirely in every makeup I have used my Bare Minerals Mineral Veil setting powder, which you have seen me, and this is one of the best setting powders we have in high-end brands. But as I said, I go back to Maybelline, but this month I did not go back to Maybelline and I used this, which is absolutely fantastic. You all know how Bare Minerals is, you have seen it in my videos. And I don't have it in like cap because it falls off as soon as I open the lid. So it's all inside and it's like half of the bottle is still, like half of the thing is still there in it. So yes, this was my go-to powder this month. Then coming to blush. Okay, so you all know that I cannot use one blush. I need to use two blush at the same time. One blush doesn't work. I need to mix two blushes as well. So for this month, the blush was my Bare Minerals blush in the shade Laughter, which you have again seen me using. It is a very pink. I'm wearing the Bare Minerals blush right now as well. It is a very beautiful dark, like not dark, but pinkish, rosy pink shade, which I love. And it provides the morning look, which looks superb and so natural on your skin. So this was the blush. I'm wearing it currently. This was the blush, and the blush I mixed like in every makeup with this was my Miss Claire face palette in the shade 01. This was the palette, and this palette has my monthly favorite highlighter as well. This is the shade of the highlighter that I'm wearing currently and I have used in every video that I created in this month. My reels, my nude makeup, my Kylie Jenner makeup, recreation, everything. So this is how the palette looks. You have seen the palette in my videos. So this was my monthly favorite highlighter. I'm wearing it currently. You can see the pop. And this was the blush that I mixed with my Bare Minerals blush. I did not use the bronzer this month. I didn't feel any need of using the bronzer in this month. So yes, so these two were the blush, and this, which one? This one was the highlighter for this month favorite. And coming to mascara and to my eyebrow pencil. So finally, after so many days, I am able to find the Sugar pencil which I wanted. I know that you will always say that Sugar to hamesha hi available tha Nykaa and isme. I agree, but the design of the pencil was different that I wanted, and this is the pencil I use and I wanted. So this shade Jerry Brown was not available. Another shade was available. See this, the another one is slope like, which is a rectangle shape, and this is like conical shape. So I want this for my eyebrows. I'm wearing it right now. So this is in the shade Jerry Brown, and the thing that, because why I want this, it has a smudger in it which has the shade. So I just fill in a little bit and then I do with the smudge and then the spoolie. So I wanted this one. So this is again my monthly favorite, and I finally have this eyebrow pencil again. I waited for this so long. And my top mascara for this month is my Physicians Formula Argan Wear Mascara in the shade, I don't know, but Ultra Black. And this mascara you all know, which is my favorite. And if you're looking for a mascara that hydrates your lashes and it doesn't feel like very what you can say, hard and very hard lashes. Like when you touch, it's very hard to feel, and I personally don't like the mascaras that way. I want my lashes to be nourished and a soft texture. Go for the Physicians Formula. I know it is high end, I know it is expensive to invest, like it's very expensive to invest in a mascara like this, but if you're willing to invest and you want a nourishing mascara, then I would highly recommend this one. In India, this is not from India. In India, there is a different bottle and they have a different collection of Physicians Formula mascara, so you can go with that one. But I have it since a very long time and I'll be continuously using it, and I'll give you a closer look of it. Wait. This is how the volume looks. You can see. Superb, isn't it? But anyway, so this is the mascara, which is my monthly favorite, and I have used this. I used another mascara also, Bare Minerals, for another look, but then I wanted to talk to you about skincare, which is my utter favorite part. You know the three basic favorite when it comes to winter: Pure Glycerine, my aloe vera gel, and my Lakme cream. So I'm not gonna talk about that, but I have two new face serums with me which I am gushing about, and I cannot do without these serums. I wish I had purchased them earlier. I wish I got to know these serums, that they exist and they are super good earlier, because you all know my skin is extremely sensitive for a product. After applying, it does not cause like any burns, or my skin does not feel good. It is very difficult to find a product like that, but these two, top my favorite. I am going to continuously restock these products because I've been using this over a month and this over 3 weeks now, which makes it favorite primer of the month, because I have skipped primer this entire month. I used it only one, the Nykaa one, when I recreated Kylie Jenner's makeup. Otherwise, I skipped primer the entire month, and I used this vitamin C serum instead of a primer to have a glowy base. You can see the difference in my base. I don't know if you're able to figure it out with the camera or not, but the difference you can see is because of this serum. It is so glowy. It has the gold like texture in it, and it has the gold peptide sesame oil in it, and it has the gold crystals in it. That is why I'll tell you this texture. It is above this world. This serum, magical. Trust me, magical. But this is highly not for oily skin. It is very hydrating and very like oily in texture because it has almond oil, so no for oily skin. I don't know if you can use the Mom & Co one. Okay, wait, I'll tell you in detail. So I was saying that I skipped the primer and this, so which is best. So I'll tell you now this, it is the Pilgrim Secret of Jeju Island Vitamin C Night Serum with hyaluronic acid and white lotus, and it retails for $550. And so how many ml, I don't know. I did not check and I ordered it. It's 30 ml. 30 ml. It's 30 ml and it's for $550. I ordered it from Nykaa. So yes, I'll looks. This is how it looks. Like, this is the closest look I can give it to you. This is how the texture. I'm sure you're able to figure it out with the drop. It has the gold infused oil in it. I'll swatch it for you all on my hand. It's very, I would not say lightweight, but girl, if you want, just look at it. If you want a hydrating night serum or vitamin C serum for a dry and a sensitive skin, I would highly recommend this one to you. I'll link it down below also. You can see the texture of it. And this serum is not for day use. It is, the packaging also says it's a night serum because when you sleep, it provides you the hydration lock on your skin. Because agar, like if you use it in the daytime, then it's very hydrating, and it's actually like because of the sweat, it becomes sticky. So it's for night, and best serums for night. Best, trust me, for best serums for night. You saw the texture of it, girl. So I would highly recommend you to have this serum, not for oily skin again, and I do not think a combination skin person should also use this serum. This is only for dry and sensitive skin, because I have utter sensitive skin and it worked Umami for me. So I would highly recommend this to you. Have it. For the daytime, this is the night care I'm talking about. Stay tuned on my channel. My winter care skin routine is gonna come up soon. So I'll show you what I do for my winter skincare, because in winter, dry skin, like, it's so hard to take care of your skin in winter because it is so dry, and I'm really worried. But I was worried, but with this and my glycerin, I'm sorted. And this one basically. But this one also, this is the Mom & Co Natural Vita Rich Face Serum with vitamin C, B3, B5 and E and hyaluronic acid. And it is rich in vitamin C. It has this has the fragrance of almond oil and lotus, and this has the because this is very natural and it is more on the greasy side, like not as thick as the vitamin C one, the Pilgrim one. And it has orange in like orange scent and a point of orange because vitamin C. So this is also with a dropper, and this is how it looks. Like, this is not as green like this. So this is on the milk side a little bit, on the like texture side. This serum is for night. I use it at night also sometimes, and दिन के time के लिए भी है ये. So this is how, like, it is very hydrating and ऐसा texture है इसका milk पे. I use this serum first on my face, then apply my aloe vera gel and my cream. Okay, wait, that is for winter skincare. Coming very soon. Stay tuned on my channel and like, share and subscribe. It's free, please. But anyways, this serum I would recommend for dry skin and sensitive skin for sure. For oily, I would not recommend, because as you saw, the texture is very greasy. It is gonna make your skin more greasy. But if you want to try, you can try. But my favorite scented candle, I have 5-6 scented candles with me, and like every month when I'm tensed or when I'm not good in a good mood, I'm not feeling very happy, so I burn these candles, and then I'm in a calm and a peace mode. So these candles, you've seen these candles, these are very cute. This is a sea salt candle, which is my utter favorite. I got this from IKEA or Miniso, Dubai. I do not remember it now, but anyways, my favorite gel candle, utter favorite. So yes, this was the monthly favorite video from my side. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please do not step out of your houses unless it is urgent. Corona still exists. Please wear your mask. Do not step out of your house without your mask. And I hope you all have an amazing week ahead and a productive week ahead, and which is for me as well. But anyways, take care, and I'll see you in my next video very soon.